To talk about becoming a Pampered Chef consultant today. And please forgive me for reading from my paper, but I wanted to be sure I didn't miss any of these important points. Why become a Pampered Chef consultant? You will have your own why based on one or more of the following reasons: to earn or replace your current income, to supplement your income for things you can't afford, to build your retirement nest egg, to become debt free, to be your own boss, to have a flexible work schedule, and to build your own team. Also, for earning free Pampered Chef products, free vacations, and other incentives, to stretch beyond your current abilities and talents, or to stretch beyond your comfort zone. And there may be other reasons as well. We all need a reason or reasons for the things that we choose to do. These reasons give us rationalization, justification, direction, purpose, meaning, and motivation to do these things. For me, becoming a Pampered Chef consultant was a gradual decision. My good friend Alice Schneider has been a consultant for over 20 years. Over these years, I've watched how successful she has been as being a consultant, building her business, and her approach to selling products. Several events currently have converged in my life, making it the ideal time for me to consider becoming a Pampered Chef consultant. A kitchen renovation, becoming a first-time grandparent, reduced hours at work, which forced me to look for other employment options, the negative impact of COVID-19 on my community, and the need to improve my work-life balance, just to name a few. As a physician, I can choose any number of work opportunities, but none of these would provide me the flexibility and work-life balance that I'm looking for. Besides all of the above reasons, I also want the ability to use my medical skills in a new way to impact more people on a larger scale than I can impact in a one-to-one visit in a doctor's office. By combining my skills as a Pampered Chef consultant with my medical skills and my obesity training, I can provide healthful recipes, nutrition tips and tricks, and other options for helping people to reach their ideal weight and to maintain that weight so that they can improve their health. I also want the ability to positively impact my community through fundraising to help sustain and grow our local nonprofits, as well as the international nonprofit that I founded in 2002, Helping Hands Healing Ministries. All of the above reasons provide direction, meaning, purpose, and motivation for me. These reasons for my choice to become a Pampered Chef consultant define success for me and a life lived to the fullest. I look forward to becoming debt-free, having work-life balance, being a highly successful person, and still having the energy and ability to help others. Being debt-free and increasing our retirement nest egg will make easing into retirement easier for myself and my husband, and this will allow us to remain independent longer so as not to be a burden on our children, who will be busy raising their own families. These accomplishments will lead to a sense of fulfillment, success, and a life well lived. The amount of time I spend currently on work is not sustainable if I want to accomplish my goals. Working smarter as a Pampered Chef consultant will open up the time so that I can accomplish my goals and dreams. I am ready to begin this journey. What is your motivation and what is holding you back? I would love to help you explore your options. Please contact me if you have an interest or have any questions. To your health and wealth.